In Python, variables are used to store values that can be used later in the program. To create a variable, you simply choose a name for it and assign a value to it using the equal sign. Here's an example. my_variable equals 10. In this example, we've created a variable called my_variable and assigned it the value of 10. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that you don't need to specify the data type of a variable when you create it. Python will automatically determine the data type based on the value you assign to the variable. For example, my_string equals hello, world. My_integer equals 42. My_float equals 3.14. My_boolean equals true. In this example, we've created 4 variables with different data types: a string, my_string, an integer, my_integer, a float, my_float, and a boolean, my_boolean. You can also change the value of a variable at any time by assigning a new value to it. My_variable equals 10. My_variable equals 20. In this example, we've changed the value of my_variable from 10 to 20. Variables are an essential part of programming in Python, and understanding how to use them is crucial for writing effective code.